Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at this new Irwin ExtraCut Snips. These are the ExtraCut Snips with the extra long blade. We just got them. We're going to open it up and take a look. Where's my cutter at? There we go. Let's get this open. I like the tools packaged on these cardboards much better than the sealed packs. Yeah? Anyway, this is the Irwin model 21304 ExtraCut Snips. Has a serrated blade. It says it will cut up to 24 gauge or 26 gauge stainless steel. Alright, so that's pretty thick, don't you think? Safe for long cuts in lightweight materials. One-handed release latch, squeeze to open. And meets or exceeds ANSI, ASME, ISO, DIN specifications. Lifetime guarantee. Call 1-800-GO-IRWIN or visit irwin.com to find out about the guarantee. Made in Taiwan to Irwin specifications. 2018 Irwin. Irwin.com. So these have been around. I guess I just discovered them myself. So it says the quick release latch, right? When you squeeze the handle, it opens up, right? Got a nice positive lock, but if you accidentally squeeze them, that's it. It's open. Now beyond that, let's see. They got a nice serrated blade. Oh, that's nice. That is a nice blade there. I wonder how it works on these plastic packages. Just toss one of them out. Let's see. I'll probably cut these open pretty good, huh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm liking this long blade. You know, you don't have to use them for cutting metal. These could cut anything. They'll even cut paper. They're pretty sharp. That's a nice pair of scissors with nice positive grip. Probably shouldn't be holding them like this, I think. Yeah, they cut really nice. I'm surprised. Let's see if we can do any precision cutting here. Pretty good. Pretty good. I like it. I like it much. See that? I like it much. Look at that. Let's get the paper out and see how it cuts the paper. Right? Oh man, pretty damn nice. Gotta say. Oh, that's my fault for not holding it right. Anyway, that's the Irwin ExtraCut. Let's clean up this little mess here. Get all this crap out of the way. Alright, now let's cut a piece of metal, huh? I got a piece of stainless steel here. I'm not sure what gauge it is. It's pretty thin. Used for like windowsills and stuff like that. Let's give it a shot. First we'll try we'll just try the tips, huh? Hear that? And it has some good grip with those with that serrated teeth. Let's try a longer cut. Pretty good. I was thinking that the tips would fold over, but pretty good. Even the smallest tip. It's a damn sharp blade, I gotta tell you. Gotta tell you. Very nice set. I'm happy I got these. Anyway, guys. Guys, if you're looking for a new pair of cutters and you don't have a pair of these yet, they're a nice set. Don't forget to get them. I'll leave you a link at the bottom. I'll leave you a link for these here too. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I got more stuff coming. You can see I got some stuff on the side here we're gonna look at, review. I got some flea market finds I want to show you guys. And maybe one day we'll do a live stream. Who knows? Anyway, thanks for watching my video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.